Google Pixel 7 Pro, really a beast from the Google Pixel models. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's dive into the incredible features and specifications that sets this device apart from the rest. Crafted with precision and elegance, the Google Pixel 7 Pro showcases a sleek and sophisticated design. Its bezel-less 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display offers stunning visuals with true-to-life colors and deep contrast, making every image and video come to life. Equipped with Google's latest custom-designed Tensor chipset, the Pixel 7 Pro delivers groundbreaking performance. This AI-driven processor optimizes every task from gaming to multitasking, ensuring smooth and seamless user experience. Empower your photography skills with the Pixel 7 Pro's state-of-the-art camera system, featuring a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This smartphone can capture incredibly detailed and vibrant photos even in low-light conditions. Take your photography game to new heights with Google's cutting-edge computational photography features. The Pixel 7 Pro leverages AI to enhance your photos, creating stunning images with improved dynamic range and refined details. Witness the magic of astrophotography mode, enabling you to capture breathtaking shots of the night sky with just a single tap. The Pixel 7 Pro's advanced sensors and AI algorithms combine to deliver stunning shots of stars, galaxies, and more. Stay connected and productive throughout the day with Pixel 7 Pro's high-capacity 5000 mAh battery. Enjoy extended usage without worrying about frequent recharges. Experience purest Android with Android 13, tailored for Pixel 7 Pro. Enjoy faster updates, exclusive Pixel features for seamless user interface. Stay ahead in the digital age with the Pixel 7 Pro's 5G capabilities. Stream, download, and browse the internet at mind-blogging speeds, revolutionizing the way you connect and communicate. Your data and privacy are paramount. The Pixel 7 Pro is equipped with titanium security chip, ensuring your information stays secure from the inside out. Say goodbye to cable clutter with Pixel 7 Pro's wireless charging support. Additionally, the device features reverse charging, transforming your phone into a power source to charge your other devices on the go. That concludes our today's review of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.